Okay, you have submitted the food delivery app. Let me review it. Okay, restaurant panel, account, password, forget, change password, order details, customer ID for the order, delivery boy contact. Okay, customer panel, account, sign up, login, password, forget, change password, manage profile, payment details, cash on delivery, online payment, track order, contact delivery boy, call for guide address. Okay, order confirmation message, comment, like, dislike, search options, delivery boy panel, account login, password, forgot, change password, customer ID for order, collect order from the restaurant, deliver to customer, add payment details in app. Perfect. And admin panel, manage account, customer, delivery boy, restaurant, collect payment management, payment delivery boy, payment restaurant, manage commission, provide ID to particular order. Each is different and add offer. Great. Is there anything missing? Hello. Hello. Yes. You have done a great analysis. Would like to add anything else into this analysis? Anything come up in mind other than this? Hello. Is it audible? Hello. Hello.
No, sir.
Yes, yes. So whatever the analysis you have done, that is a great analysis that you have included almost all the functionality that are right now available with Zomato or Swiggy or any related applications. Okay. So now let's go ahead with the next point, that is a cab booking applications. Have you booked any cab booking applications? Have you gone through the cab booking applications anytime?
Ola.
Okay. You have used Ola?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the process of booking a cab?
Means you set some, you add some address, and
Okay.
they by GPS they your address is automatically inside, and nearby all the cabs, auto rickshaw they can find.
Okay.
And according to you add your address, and then within 5 to 10 minutes they any you book any auto or cab, they can contact you. And
Okay. Okay. So what is the basic process? First process is that they are having some list of items, or we can say list of particular things that rented item, 100 rupees charge, 200 rupees charge, 300 rupees charge for this particular things. Again,
yes,
they are having something like you would like to book for one way, two way, for example, whole day, more than one day, something like that. So they are having various options for the particular cab booking. Again, they are having various facility. For example, you are looking for 1-seater, 2-seater, 3-seater, 4-seater, or more than that.
yes,
So accordingly, they can suggest you some best available cabs for you. Then you are requesting for the cabs. So all nearby cab dealer, whatever the particular cab drivers are there nearby to your GPS location, that will be notified. They will accept based on your requirement that they would like to go with you or not. If they accept it, this immediately both the channel will be fixed up, and they can come to your place and they can pick you up and they can deliver, go to the particular destination location. So this is the process. So what is the applications over here? One is the customer applications is there, another one is the driver application is there,
driver
and third one is a
admin.
admin panel. Okay, what is the role of customer?
they book the search for the cab.
Okay.
They add the address where they want to go.
Okay, search for the cab, location, their current location or address, and request for cab.
Cab.
And what is the role of driver?
मतलब, app requests them that this particular address that customer is there. If they accept the request,
Okay.
then they go to the particular place where the customer is, and
Okay.
then they pick up the customer and
Drop to their particular destinations.
yes.
Great. So this is the role of driver. And what is the role of admin?
They manage. They manage the customer and the driver both account. They find the nearby cabs
Okay.
and contact the cab drivers and they make
Okay.
request.
Great.
And they manage the payment like cash on delivery or online payment. They provide payment to the cab's driver and they separate out their commission, whatever.
Perfect, perfect. So basically we can say something, payment module is something similar to food delivery app. In food delivery
Yes,
app,
sir.
that was the payment module. Similar, the modules are over here in a cab booking
Yes.
applications. Whatever the food delivery application notification kind of funda is there, the same things are there with a cab booking. So few things are similar with the food delivery app and cab booking applications.
Cab
Few things are different. In a food delivery applications, we are choosing that particular restaurants and items. In cab bookings, we are selecting cab. That is the only difference. Okay, so do the analysis of the cab bookings completely. I am giving you the 10 minutes. Okay, just complete that analysis and post it as a comment.
Yes.
Okay, I have received comment. Cab panel, account login, password, forgot and change password, having customer ID, accept the request from app, assign cab number to customer, contact to customer after arrival at place. Okay, customer panel, account, sign up, login, password, change password, forgot password, edit profile, add address, password, COD, that is a payment, COD and online, comments, like or dislike, driver contact details. Okay, admin, manage accounts, driver, customer, payment management, review comments, track locations of the customer, find cab nearby the customer and provide the customer ID. So this is the perfect analysis of cab booking applications. So is this concept is clear? How to do
Yes,
the
sir.
analysis?
Yes, sir.
So basically by this way, suppose you do the analysis of any systems, there is a probably less chance of the failure of that particular systems. What happens actually in the market, out of 100 softwares, almost 80 to 90 software fails because they are not properly analyzed. So analysis part is too much important for any software. So we are closing this day with analysis part. What is your today's task? Today's task is to revise all these analysis as much as you can. Just think
Yes.
second time, third time, fourth time. Again, discuss this concept with your friend also. Call to your friend and discuss the cab booking applications. Call to your friend, discuss the food delivery applications. You will get some idea. You will get some more idea. For example, you are using Swiggy, somebody is using Zomato, so they may give you the idea that Zomato is providing this, Zomato is providing this. So according to that, you need to update this particular analysis. And one analysis is pending, that is a railway reservation system, that you have to do it. Okay, so today's task is
Yes.
to complete the all this analysis. Okay, we will meet you again tomorrow morning. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, bye, have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Okay, bye.